In this video we tell you avoids foods for fatty liver, especially if you have underlying health conditions, so let's start. Number 1. Reduce saturated fats and trans fats. Cut down on fried foods, processed snacks, and commercially baked goods. Opt for cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming instead of frying. Number 2. Choose healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon can be beneficial. Number 3. Control portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes to manage calorie intake. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day may be helpful. Number 4. Limit sugar intake. Reduce consumption of sugary beverages, sweets, and desserts. Check food labels for hidden sugars in processed foods. Number 5. Increase fiber intake. Choose whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes for their fiber content. Fiber helps in digestion and can contribute to weight management. Number 6. Moderate protein intake. Include lean protein sources like poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes. Avoid excessive intake of red and processed meats. Number 7. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support overall health. Limit consumption of sugary drinks and high-calorie beverages. Number 8. Limit alcohol consumption. If you consume alcohol, do so in moderation or consider eliminating it. Alcohol can contribute to liver damage and exacerbate fatty liver. Number 9. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity to support weight management. Exercise has various health benefits, including improving liver health. Number 10. Consult a healthcare professional. Seek guidance from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health condition. Remember, it's important to make dietary changes gradually and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions.